Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the Art that Rayumbi. Renovate. We are having a tour bus around Paris, the tourist attraction, so that you can see the area, the famous. When you ride the bus, they explain everything. Where you pass by, like this one, the Art in Rayumbi, they explain. So this is the bus.
They really renovate.
This one, they renovate. Supposedly, we go upstairs because you can go also there upstairs. But we are not able to do so, so we just pass by. And this is the shopping area, the center. Expensive store. So I have a lot of videos, not a lot, maybe 4 or 5 videos from the tour bus. So keep watching so that you will see the place of Paris by doing a tour bus. The amount of the tour bus is almost na siya 40 euro, because I think 39, more than 39, I'm not so sure, but something like that, almost 40 euro each person. So by riding a tour bus, you can see the whole Paris. You can select a boat or a tour bus. I don't know the price in the boat, but I choose the bus because it's nice. It's overlooking because it's big. So ganda talaga tingnan pag nakasakay ka ng bus nila. Ganito ang kanilang bus. So, makikita mo lahat yung mga building, ganda tingnan. So, I make a video. This is for a remembrance because when I was here before, I ride also a bus together with my sister, but I think we only, because we stop and then we look, we watch. So by now we really ride, we just only ride and see the whole Paris. But after riding the tour bus, we stop in Eiffel Tower because I want to go in the other location in the Eiffel Tower because it is nice. So it is nice in the bus. It's nice also in walking, but it's nice in the bus. But they only pass by in the center. They only pass by in the center. And medyo may kamahalan siya. Only up to 6 o'clock in the evening ang bus. Pero pag lukat ka ng ticket sa bus, ano na siya, for 24 hours hindi mo siya magamit. So for example, naglukat kag ticket around 12 o'clock noon, so pwede ka morning, pero murag bigil naman siguro morning, no? Unless kung early ka mo, wake up in the morning and then you just go and then ride a bus to see the place, the Paris. But you can stop and look every places. Like for example, if we pass by in the Eiffel Tower, you stop there and then you go there. Only if you stop there, then of course you cannot see the whole Paris. My advice is ride a bus and then do not not get out. Just look first the whole tourist area where the bus is passing by, because it is all in the center in the Paris, and it's nice to see it. So this is my first video. I have another video with this, so you can see the whole area. And you can also see Princess Diana here, because somebody will explain because they give you a head seat, and then somebody is talking there, either French or English. So in every places that we pass by, somebody is talking and explaining what is that place. And he also explained about the accident of Princess Diana, because it's here, somewhere here. It's we are near. That one, the gold one there, that is the area where Princess Diana's accident there. They put a monument there, as you can see, because they explain it. Oh, that one. Some I cannot remember. But this one, yes, they put there because there where Princess Diana is having an accident there. It's a big news. So pwede po ka mo balik kung humahumanan nimo o ka libot tanan ang tibuok Paris, then you can ride a bus, any kind of tour bus, because yeah, they are the same company. So you can ride any bus, and you just show your ticket if ever you get out. So but for us, we choose to ride, and I want to see the whole, because when I was here before in 2005, it was there 16 years ago na. I was not able to see the whole Paris. We only get one or two specific area or three, and then we just ride in a metro. So it's a mistake also, because it is expensive. I don't know how much it cost before, because that was long ago, but now it is expensive. So better see first the area, and then select where you stop, and then watch, because one of my video also in the tour bus, you can pass by the largest museum around the world. You can pass by there, but I think not in this video, maybe in another video. So keep watching so that you can see the place. This is the place where we walk from Eiffel Tower, and then I have a video for that. It is nice. It's nice if you do a tour bus.
We stop there, my love, in the other side, not here.
Yeah. We can walk or not?
Not here.
Yeah.
In the other
To the
side.
other side.
Where there is a
Kita
garden.
nimo ni siya sa mga
Very nice
movie.
here.
Kini siya nga area diri. Kasagara diri sila ga-focus o shooting in this area. Kung wala bitaw na siya fence diha, kung wala gadula bitaw din ha.
So it's
Nindot kay na siya tan-aw, kay continue mo na siya paingon dito sa Eiffel Tower, makita nimo ng upos. ila man kung gibutangan og koral kay naay kadula. So inana imo makita.
Ano, very
So
ano,
diri ka
I don't know where
kung
very
magsakay
far
kag
to.
metro, diri ka mo stop and then diri ka mo agi padulong street. Naabot
In the
sila
other
metro
side.
dito sa unahan. So pick up pud sila og pasahero and then continues to travel again. So in every location makita niyo ang Eiffel Tower asa ka mo agi sa isla. And we also pass by going there here. So it is a nice experience. As you can see that I have a video where I walk here, but it is more nicer in the bus. Eiffel Tower is very nice. And then the bus also will stop there, and then because some people will get out because they want to go inside in the Eiffel Tower, they go up in the inside, and then they also pick another passenger there in the Eiffel Tower. So before the Eiffel Tower is wala siya parel no fence. So you can go directly right away there, but not anymore now. And as you can see, a lot of people. I think if no COVID, I think much or more people pagayod sila. Because the Eiffel Tower is very well known. A lot of people will come in this and then they bring their children and they come there. So mauni siya ang Eiffel Tower, tan-awon kung magsakay ka og bus. As you can see, giparil siya. Luag-luag siya, uy. Di ka basta-basta makasulod. Sa una, mo enter rami diretso diha. Street rami diha sa una, but not anymore now. You cannot enter right away anymore. I think for security reason. And also tungod sa COVID, kay dili ka kasulod diha kung wala kay corona app. Ilaman pa ngayon. So stop ni siya, pag stop niya mag-pick up na pud siya og pasahero. Kay naamay man musulod manggod sa dito sa Eiffel Tower. So diri mi mo stop. Mo ni siya part ni siya sa Eiffel Tower. Ilang gibutangan og garden, na ay gamay nga fence mo ni siya. So inani diri. And we continue. So enjoy watching and until my next video because I still have a video from the tour bus. So mao po nilang mga restaurant. Atong restaurant kay lahiman, wala man na sa gawas. Mga sila ibutang gid nila sa gawas sa ilang lamisa. Ang kanindot kung mag-ride ka sa tour bus is tsada tan-awon kung makita dito mo. Dako po siya tan-aw, kinaamang ka overlooking, naamang ka sa taas. So muna na kanindot po sa tour bus. Pero mao lagi po na, kay perting mahal po. Pero sulit po siya. So muna siya imong mga makita. Ilang mga restaurant, ilang mga building sa center lang ni kaagi ha. Katong mga walking na mo sugod-sugod man to siya. Kay duag mong guni siya ang Paris. So labay mi sa Paris. Naapa ko sunod ani nga video. Okay, pagpatuloy siya. So I have another next video to upload after this one. So just keep watching so that you will be updated and you can see. I will stop. I will also put a video where I stop here and do some video there. I get out in the bus. So thank you for watching, because the bus will stop, but I will not yet get out because I want to see the whole Paris first. So till my next video, God bless everyone, and thank you for watching.